Hey goalies, this is Mike. In this video, let's take a closer look at the brand new Bauer Pro Goalie Skate. The new Bauer Pro Skate is patterned after the Vapor Player Skate, and it's got the similar curved composite construction here around the heel. The curved composite outer material helps the boot maintain its stiffness, structure, and integrity over time. Also, it gives the boot a greater forward flex for a better response. The tenon guard has been improved to be stiffer, which will help keep it in its original position over time. This will help the boot maintain its overall support properties for a longer period of time as well. The interior of the boot is made of a hydrophobic liner, which helps wick moisture away from the foot. Also, additional padding has been added here around the ankle bone and also around the back of the heel, which gives the boot a much more comfortable fit. Underneath the footbed, Bauer has added an additional comfort foam that runs the length of the boot, which helps keep the boot more comfortable during long games or long practices. The tongue is made of a thicker Pro felt, and additional padding has been added right here to the center of the tongue to help protect against lace bite. Like the Supreme 1/100 line of the past, the Bauer Pro Skate uses the Vertex cowling again for 2012. The cowling features this unique Vertex cutout material, which for 2012 has been strengthened to make it more durable. Like past designs, this Vertex cowling raises the goalie's boot higher up off the ice, and this Vertex cutout allows the goalie to increase the attack angle of the skate by 28 degrees. Both features help the goalie take a deeper stance and keep the blade of the skate on the ice longer when pushing laterally. In fact, studies have shown that goalies can get an extra 12 to 18 inches of leg extension by going with this cowling design. The blade is a 3mm Tuch stainless steel runner, which can be easily removed by simply turning the screw at the front of the cowling. The 3mm runner helps reduce the overall weight of the skate for faster leg movements. As far as fit goes, the Bauer Pro Goalie Skate will fit a lot like the old Supreme 1/100 did. The curved material, especially here at the ankle, makes the boot a little bit wider at the top, at least upon opening, but I think goalies will find once your foot is inside the boot will more fully wrap around the goalie's ankle than the older skates did. The curved material also makes the boots lighter, and you can find sizing charts and comparison charts for this skate at TotalHockey.com. Thanks for watching.